before anything, let me ask you a serious question. How many different AI tools are you actually using right now? One for video, one for images, one for editing, one for voice. And what happens in the end? You spend the whole day jumping between tools, and your focus is gone. I had exactly the same problem. That's why I decided to try Loova, a platform that claims it can do all of this in one place. So today, let's test it for real. No hype, no fake promises, just honest experience. After logging in, this is the main dashboard. On the left side, you can see all the sections: AIvideo, AIimage, avatars, AItools, voices, effects, and more. The first thing I noticed is how clean the interface is. It's not messy. Everything is well organized, and you immediately understand where each tool is. You don't feel like you entered a complicated platform. Let's start with Image-to-Video. Here, I upload an image, set the model to Google Veo 3.1, and write a simple prompt. For example, soft camera movement, cinematic lighting, natural motion. Then I choose the resolution, 720p or 1080p. I click Generate, and Loova starts turning the image into a real video. The result is actually usable. Perfect for YouTube, B-roll, shorts, or even story scenes. Now let's move to Reference to Video. Here I upload multiple images as references. In this section, you need to upload several different photos of the same object, write your desired prompt, adjust the settings, and then generate your video. Loova analyzes the style, lighting, and mood, and creates a new video based on them. If you have a brand or a specific visual style, this feature is extremely useful. Another great thing is Loova's AI video editor. You can upload your video, add images or references, and simply describe how you want it edited. All you need to do is upload your desired video, then edit it by uploading an image or writing a prompt. After that, click the Generate button to see your final result. Loova understands your instructions and edits the video automatically, so you don't need another editing software. Now, let's talk about the image tools. Text to image means you just write your idea. For example, a cute cat wearing sunglasses, Pixar style. A few seconds later, you get high-quality images. You also have image to image. Upload a photo and transform it. Change the style, lighting, and mood. This is perfect for thumbnails, Instagram, and branding. Now, the avatar section, which is honestly very fun. Character swap, upload a video, and replace the face. It's very smooth and realistic. Simply upload the video in which you want the character to be replaced. Then upload the replacement character below. After generating, you'll be able to see the final result. We also have a gallery of AI tools. Here you can explore powerful tools designed for different use cases. For example, this AI clothes changer lets you switch outfits smoothly and naturally with higher accuracy than ever. It's perfect for brands and influencers. And if you want to go further, you can try tools like Video-to-Video or the AIVFX generator. Or if you're looking for ideas, simply browse the content gallery on the homepage to get inspired before you start creating. And here's something very important. Loova is currently the first platform to officially launch Seedance 2.0. And what I like is that it's not hidden somewhere. It's fully integrated in 3 main sections: image to video, text to video, and the AI video editor. So instead of just talking about it, let's test it. I'll go to image to video, select Seedance 2.0, upload a cinematic image, let's say a warrior standing in the rain. Now I'll write a simple prompt. Slow dramatic camera push-in, natural rain motion, subtle wind movement, cinematic lighting. Generate. What makes Seedance 2.0 different is how it handles motion. It doesn't just animate the image, it builds layered movement, background, atmosphere, subject. Everything feels connected. The result feels more like a short scene, not just a moving picture. And if you're building storytelling content, trailers, or cinematic intros, this is where it really stands out. Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where things get really interesting. Loova recently updated their plans, and this changes everything. If you look here, you can see that Seedance 2.0 is now included with unlimited generation in the higher tier plans. Not limited credits, not restricted usage. Unlimited access, and that's a big deal because Seedance 2.0 is one of the most powerful multi-shot video models right now. On top of that, you still get access to Kling models, Nano Banana Pro, and all major image and video models inside one subscription. So what's my honest opinion? What I liked: everything in one place, clean interface, good output quality, many models, great for beginners and professionals. What can improve? Some models naturally take more time to generate. But overall, as an all-in-one AI tool, Loova is solid. If you're tired of jumping between tools, managing multiple subscriptions, and wasting time, Loova is definitely worth trying. The link is in the description. Try it yourself and tell me in the comments. Which feature did you like the most? See you in the next video.